Hello, I'm Dr. Dharma. We're going to have some fun right now. I hope that you've done your Energy Plus exercises so you're feeling really good. And now I'm going to show you what to do next. We make our green drink smoothie. It's very simple. I already put the beverage of my choice in here, which happens to be almond milk. You can put soy milk or any kind of beverage, regular milk that you want. Anything that you like, you put in there. Then I have the protein powder that I like, which is a vegetarian pea protein combination mix. So I'm putting that in there. You can use whey protein. Whey protein is really good, especially for women if you don't have a milk intolerance or any kind of protein that you like. I prefer, though, a vegetarian pea protein combo. Alright, now the best part, we put our green drink in there. The green drink with the advanced berry blend has everything you'd ever want in there to give you energy, mental clarity, and strength to get through the day. It increases your metabolism. It's fantastic. I mean, I'm not going to read everything in here. You can do that for yourself online. And so now I'm going to put our green drink in there. It's awesome. And now after we mix this up, you can take your gold caps, which are a very high potency multiple vitamin mineral tablet. Has all the vitamins and minerals you need. Or many people these days like to just simply make it easy and open it up and put the gold caps in there. So that's one I would recommend, one, and I would recommend another one, so you could put in two right there. Now, as I said, you can also just take them with the drink because, you know, you're adding the vitamins in there, so it might be a little vitamin taste. If that bothers you, then just take the caps. Some people don't like to take pills, though. Alright, so now we're going to add some fruit. I'm just going to put a little banana in there because I have a mini blender here today. So we're going to put our little banana in there. And I have some fruit over here. Also, you can add fruit. I'm not going to add fruit for two reasons. Again, it's a mini blender, and also the advanced berry blend in the green drink has plenty of fruit. You really don't even need to add any more fruit. So now I'm going to put this on here real tight, and I'm going to put this in here, and I'm just simply going to blend it up. Can't wait. Alright, now I'm going to take this off. I'm going to take this out, and look at this, how wonderful that looks. Wow, that looks creamy and delicious, and I'm going to have some. This is fantastic. I really love this. That's why I have it all the time. Gives you strength, so you feel great and get through the day. And it's really good, especially in these times, because the advanced berry blend combined with the gold caps does wonders for your immune system. So the combination of that Energy Plus exercise and this drink will give you good energy to get through the day. Alright, fantastic. I'm Dr. Dharma. Here's to your health.